Today we do the problems of similar triangles. They call the statement of similar triangles or theorems. A statement of basic prosperity theorems or Thales theorems. Okay. Now you know by BPT theorems or Thales theorems, in any triangles, if a line is drawn parallel to any side of a triangle, then this line divide the remaining two sides in the same ratio. Okay. So recall this statement and apply the suitable relationship between two corresponding sides when one line is drawn parallel to third sides. Okay. So now write down the questions in a given figure here. In a given figure, DE parallel to BC and AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5. If AC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, find the length of AE. Okay, and in same questions, find the same value of AE if the value of AC is given 4.8 centimeter. Okay. So try to do it questions according to figures and the values of the corresponding sides. We will get the result. Now we are in triangle ABC. B is parallel to BC. Therefore, you know in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, B parallel to BC. It is given. So by BPT theorems, you can write AD by DB is equal to A by EC. Because it is already given, the ratios of sides of one side of a triangle are given AD by DB. So you have to take the same ratio on the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So AD by DB is equal to A by EC. Okay. Now put the values. Here the length of AC is given. Okay. And now how to find the value of AE. So equilibrium, the length of A is equal to X. Therefore length of EC should be 4.8 minus X, because in AC A is equal to X. So EC is equal to AC minus A. So value of EC should be 4.8 minus X. Okay. Now put the values in the given relations and solve it. Finally, we will get the value of X is equal to 1.8. Now, X is the length of A. Therefore, A is equal to 1.8 centimeter. Okay, we got the value of A 1.8 centimeter when the length of AC is given 4.8. Okay, similarly, you can take AC is equal to 5.6. Same relation will be there. AD by DB is equal to A by EC. Now take A is equal to X. Therefore EC is equal to 5 minus 6. 5.6 minus X. Now put these values in the given relations and solve it. We will get the value of X. Okay. Everybody will do it on your own way by putting the values of the given sides. You solve it algebraically. Definitely you will get the answer. A is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Okay. Now same relation will be here. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC in triangle ABC D parallel to BC. It is given. Then therefore by BPT theorem we get AD by DB is equal to A by EC. Now put AD by DB is given 3 by 5. Take A is equal to X. Then EC should be, now I am taking AC is equal to 5.6. So 5.6 minus X. Okay, to solve it. Now 5X is equal to 3 into 5.6 minus X. Solve it. 5X is equal to 16.8 minus 3X. This implies 8X is equal to 16.8. This implies X is equal to 16.8 by 8. You can see 2.1. Therefore, X is equal to 2.1. Now, you are taking X is equal to A, therefore, A is equal to 2.1. Okay, so this type of questions in which a triangle is given and a line is drawn parallel to any side of a triangle and the values of the length of some sides are given. Now we have to find the unknown values of the length. Okay, and it should be given in which triangle a line is drawn parallel to any side of any triangle. Okay, so by looking the figures and given values, you can proceed like that and finally you get the answer. Okay, now now write down the other type of question. In this question, many times the ratios of corresponding sides are given. Now we have to show whether the line is parallel or not with any side of a triangle. Okay. Now write down the questions in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, D and E are the points. D and E are the points on sides AB and AC. On sides AB and AC respectively. AB length of sides are given. AB is equal to 5.6. AB is equal to 1.4. AC is equal to 7.2. A is equal to 1.8. Okay. Prove that. Now we have to prove that. DE is parallel to BC. Okay, now you can take triangle, any triangle ABC. D and E are the points on side AB. Let it A, B, C. D, suppose D is a point in AB and E is a point in AC. Now join D to E. Now we have to prove whether D is parallel to BC or no. Here you have to prove it is already given to show that D is parallel to BC. Okay. So now the converse of DPT theorem, if any triangles, if the ratios of side of two corresponding sides of any triangle are given and coming equal, the ratios of one side of a triangle